Sometimes, your house tries to tell you something.
That wasn't there yesterday.
Behind every wall, there could be a hidden story. Found it. Every home has hidden stories. Some become expensive disasters, others end with a simple repair. The difference isn't luck, it's acting early. What you can't see can cost you the most. Your home is always talking, but most people never hear it. Behind this wall, a tiny leak has been quietly causing damage every single day. Moisture, mold, rotting wood, all hidden from sight. At Winn's Plumbing, we don't just fix what's visible, we uncover what's hidden, because protecting your home starts before the damage does. Winn's Plumbing. You'll always win with Winn's. Next episode, the cabinet that smelled like trouble.